Welcome to the Novichenko Whips YouTube channel. Today let's look at some maintenance stuff, including an oil change.
So for the Subarus, the oil fill is right here. And so what this is called is an air oil separator. It's a device that helps with the PCV system and cleans the air going back into the intake. To unscrew it, you just use a 18 millimeter socket and just pretty much this top piece comes out, and you will fill your oil through there and then put it back when you're done. What this device does is act as a compact air oil separator for the intake charge air. This over here is coolant expansion tank. There's two of them. There's one here and then one here. Usually this one, when the car is cold, I think the coolant is like at this level. You'll see it if you open it. Don't open it when it's hot. This will explode, of course. So coolant level will be around here usually on the cold. This one, usually on cold, coolant level is pretty low, but when the car is hot, you can open this. You will see that the coolant expands, and then when the car cools off, it takes coolant from this and puts it back in that. So radiator, usually I never check this, but usually coolant is near full in the radiator as well. Pretty simple. And then of course dipstick right here. I check my oil level when the car is warm. So let the car run for a little bit and then shut it off. Underneath the car, there is a skid plate. It does have nice access panels. This is for drain plug. It's under this piece. And then oil filter is up in here. So you can take off little access panels and, you know, use a tool to loosen the oil filter and then put the new one in, make sure it's nice and tight. And then of course, drain plug right here.
I always recommend using an OEM Subaru filter for the oil.
Gotta go thick for the summer. Yummy. Lube up the ring. When putting on the oil filter, you can tighten it nicely with your hand, but when you're going to go to take it back off, you'll find one of these tools to be extra useful to loop it around and loosen it. Yummy. Liqui-Moly anti-friction additive. You gotta take what you can get. Especially with the summer coming around. Make sure everything is snug. Your drain plug, your oil filter. Put back your cap and start her up. Check the oil pressure. Here goes something. let it run for a good few minutes and warm up. Check for any leaks. Everything's nice and toasty. Put all the shields back on and go out and take it for a rip. Oil change all done. Everything looks good.